Other new arrival, how about the 1928 Ford Model A Roadster pickup? This may be the nicest one I've ever seen.
Yeah.
This thing
got me thinking about something.
Okay.
So this is what it looked like in the showroom or the dealership back in the day. What level of care did people, how much did they care about keeping a car clean? Because
I don't think they
the roads were dirt.
Yeah, I don't think they cared at all, especially on a truck.
Exactly.
And a Roadster pickup would have been something you would have used to haul to the farmer's market to sell your cantaloupes or kumquats or
right. So all the detailing we do now on cars and stuff, it wasn't an issue.
No, nobody was like, "Did you? Should I wash it? I washed it 6 months ago. What do you expect?"
Right.
This thing, is. I mean, it didn't look like this on the showroom. I can guarantee.
That's what I mean. Better than new.
Yeah, flawless restoration. AACA Senior and Grand National first wins.
Yeah,
it's got the 201 cubic inch 4-cylinder with the 3-speed manual. And this thing is the nicest one I probably have ever seen.
And it won't last because we talked about Model A's.
Yeah,
it lasts. Weird noise coming in.